Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm your mathematics teacher, Nur Azlina binti Ahmad. Okay, today we will learn first topic in Form 3 syllabus, Index 1.1 Index Notation. Okay. You can refer your textbook, page 2. This is index notation. And you can write index as a to the power of n. N is index, we call it index. And a is a base. In Form 1, you have learned that 4 to the power of 3 equal to 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, so the number 4 to the power of 3 is written in index notation. 4 is the base and 3 is the index, or you can call it exponent. Okay, this is index form. Index form. A is the base, N is the index or exponent. Okay, let's say 2 to the power of 5. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 5 times because the index is 5. If 3 to the power of n, so this is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiply dot multiply by 3. And this is n term because we don't know what is the value of index, so we'll write n terms. Okay, example 1, you can refer your textbook. Example 1, page 2. Write the following repeated multiplication in index form a to the power of n. Okay, this is repeated multiplication. Okay, and this is the index form. A to the power of n is index form. For a, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So in index form, this is 5 to the power of 6 because we have 6 times. Okay, for b, 0.3 multiply 0.3 multiply 0.3 multiply 0.3, and in index form you write in bracket 0.3 to the power of 4. Okay, so for decimal number, better you write in bracket 0.3 to the power of 4. For C, negative number, negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 2. So the answer is also you need to write in bracket. This is negative 2 to the power of 3. Why we need to write in bracket? Because if you didn't write bracket, okay, this is 2 only, power of 3. This is equal to negative 8. Here also negative 8. But if I give another example, negative 3 to the power of 2. What is the answer? This is negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. And this is equal to 9. But if If negative 3 to the power of 2, the answer will become negative, you write, and 3 to the power of 2, 9. So this is not equal. Negative 3 to the power of 2 is not equal with negative 3 to the power of 2. Okay? Therefore, for negative number, you need to write in bracket. Okay? Maybe for odd number, the answer will be same. But if for even number, the answer will be different. So better for your safety, you write if the base is negative number, you write in bracket. If decimal also, you write in bracket. Okay? And for fraction also, D, example D. 1 over 4 multiply 1 over 4 multiply 1 over 4 multiply 1 over 4 multiply 1 over 4. So how many 1 over 4 there? So that is in index form 1 over 4 to the power of 5. Okay? So better you write in bracket. Okay. For E, okay, again, for E, M multiply M multiply M multiply M multiply M multiply M multiply M. How many M? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in index form, we write M to the power of 7. How about F? Last one. N multiply N. Multiply N until the N. Multiply N. So, how many N? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. So, the answer in index form is N to the power of 8. Okay, I have some reminder here. 2 to the power of 5 is not equal to multiplied by 5. 2 power of 5, what is the answer? You times 2, 5, you multiply 2, 5 times. So, you will get 32. If 2 multiply 5, you get only 10. So, that is not equal. 4 power of 3 is not equal to 4 multiplied by 3. Careful. So, a power of n is not equal to a times n. This is reminder. Okay, just now, I already told you about n terms and n factors. Okay, this is n factors. A power of n equal to a multiply a multiply a multiply until the n a. So a cannot be 0. If a is 0, this is not index number. Okay. If a equal to 0, this is not index number. So a cannot be 0. So this is n factors because we don't know the number of index. This is index term and this is repeated multiplication. Okay, next, page 4, example 2. Write 64 in index form using base 2, base 4 and base 8. So how we need to do? So example 2. Actually, you can press your calculator, but never mind. We can do one by one. 64 divided by 2. Because the question want you to write in index form using base 2. So you multiply by 2. 64 divided by 2, you get 32. Again divide by 2. This is 16. Divide by 2. 8. Divide by 2. 4 until you get 1. Divide by 2. 2. Divide by 2. And this is 1. So stop there. Okay, how many how many number 2 you write at the left hand side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equal to 6. So index form 64 equal to 2 to the power of 6. Okay, this is base 2. If 64 write in base 4. So 64 divided by 4, 16. 16 divided by 4, 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. So until 1 you stop. Then how many 4? This is the value of n because index. So n to the power of 3. So what is the answer? 64 can also write in base 4, 4 to the power of 3. Okay, next, last one. Write 64 using base 8. Okay, 64 divided by 8. So 64 divided by 8, 8. Divide by 8 again, the answer is 1. So how many 8 at the left hand side? This is n equal to 2. So therefore, 64, you can write 8 to the power of 2. Why n equal to 2? Because our index form is a to the power of n. So n here is for the number. How many repeated number at the left hand side? Okay, so understand example 2. I hope you can understand. Next, example 3. Write 32 over 3125 in index form using base 2 over 5. So 2 over 5 to the power of what? So n. We want to find the value of n. Okay. So now 32, its partner is 2. So 32 divided by 2. So 32 divided by 2, 16. Divided by 2, 8. Divided by 2, 4. Divided by 2, 2. Divided by 2, 1. You stop until 1. Okay. Now, what is the value of n? N equal to 5. Okay. Now, we check for the denominator, 3125. 3125, its partner is 5. So, divide by 5. 3125 divided by 5. This is 625. You can use your calculator. Okay, 3125 divided by 5 is 625. Again, divide by 5. 1, 2, 5. Again, divide by 5. 1, 2, 5 divided by 5 is 25. And divide by 5, you get 5. 5 divided by 5, the answer is 1. So now, what is the value of n? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 also. Okay, this is 5 and this is 5. So we can write 32 over 3125 equal to, in bracket because it's fraction, so 2 over 5 to the power of n is 5. Okay. Don't worry, the value of n will be same if the question give you like this. Okay, if the question asks you to write in index form, so don't worry, the value of n, you will get the same number. So 32 over 3125 equal to 2 over 5 to the power of 5. Okay, finish example 3. Okay, sorry, if you look at example 3 at solution part, we have two methods here. First method is repeated division method. So, like what I done before, this is repeated division method. And the second one is repeated multiplication method. This is repeated multiplication method. Okay, you can choose either one. Okay, next, example 4. Calculate the value of the given number in index form. Two power of 5. The question asks you calculate the values. Remember, when the question asks you values, mean you need to give the number for the final answer. Values. This is example 4. Values. So, if the question asks you to calculate the values, so you need to find the number. 2 power of 5. You can also use calculator, straightforward. You will get the answer. But if you want to write the method, this is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 5 times. So this is equal to 32. For B is 0.6 to the power of 3 in bracket. Remember, if you use calculator, please press the bracket symbol. Okay, what you write, that is what you press in calculator. So 0.6 multiply 0.6 multiply 0.6, the answer is 0.216. Okay, you can use calculator. From here, you can straightforward use calculator, but remember, please press bracket symbol. Okay. Okay, quiz. Look at quiz at page 5. You have quiz here. M power of 4 in bracket. This is equal to 16. What are the possible values of M? So how? M power of 4 equal to 16. Okay. 16 is equal to, this is perfect number. Perfect number. Perfect number means what is the same number? If you multiply, you will get this number. So this is 4 multiplied by 4. Okay. Talk about perfect number. I give example, another perfect number. That is 25. Why 25? Because 5 multiplied by 5. The same number. You multiply the same number, you get the answer. So this answer is perfect number. 36. This is 6 multiplied by 6. Okay. So now, again, at number 16, we want 4 times. This is only 2 times. So again, 4, we can separate. 2 multiplied by 2. For 4 at the right hand side, 2 multiplied by 2. So now the value of n is 4. N is 4. So you can write 2 power of 4. So what is the value of m? The value of m equal to 2. Because the index 4. So here we get index 4. So what is the base for? What is the base? M is the base. And here 2 is the base. So m equal to 2. Okay, next. Example 5. Smart finger. What is smart finger? Means you use calculator. Okay, you press the answer, you get the answer using calculator. So 5 power of 4 equal to, so use calculator, take your calculator, you press 5, then you press the head symbol. This is power. Okay, power and 4. Press 4. So equal. So the answer is 625. Can you find this symbol, head symbol? Okay. Wait, I take my calculator. Okay, if you use a calculator like this, okay, my calculator is FX 570EX. Okay, the last version, latest version. You can use this. You can use this X power. So the question is 5. Can you see? Okay, 5 power of 4. So press equal. So you get 625. Next, the second question, B. Negative 7 to the power of 3. So remember, you need to press bracket symbol. But for me, I can write like this. Bracket, negative 7. Okay, use negative. Don't use minus. Use negative symbol, negative. So close the bracket and power of 3. So we will get negative 3 for 3. Okay, C. C. Okay, I press this. In bracket. Okay, open bracket. This is fraction. Oh, sorry. Open bracket. Fraction. 2, 3. Okay, close bracket. And this is power 4. And equal 16 over 81. If you use Casio MS, you can follow this step. Okay. For D, also, you can use the same method. 1/3. Make sure open bracket. 1/3/5, close the bracket, power of 2, and you get equal. Okay. E, use calculator also. Open bracket, negative. Okay, open bracket, negative 0.5. Close bracket, power of 6. And this is equal. So you will get the answer. Okay. That's all for today. We learn only 1.1 index notation. Okay, thank you. I hope you can understand. Thank you, class.